As we move into the spring of 2021, the activity chooser in Moodle looks a little bit different. So I wanted to show you the old version and the new version so you could get a feel for the changes. So currently I'm in the old version of Moodle, the one we've used through the fall of 2020, and I've turned editing on for my course, and I click on add an activity or resource to add one of those things. When I do that, I see this familiar vertical list of activities and resources. When I click on one, I get this summary of what that activity or resource is and a link here to go out to the web for more information about how to use that activity and the things I can do with it. Then if I want to add it to my Moodle site, I simply click the add button. So that was the Moodle we used up through the fall of 2020. If I look at the new one that's ahead of us in spring 2021, I've turned editing on. I still see that same link to add an activity or resource. But when I click on it, I get this very different looking menu of activities and resources. And I want to show you how you can interact with it. One way is if I want to find an activity or resource out of here, I can simply use this search field and type in an activity or a resource or start to type it out. And it'll filter down to just that one. If I wanted to add this activity or resource to my site, I could simply click on the link for it and configure it as I do in the previous Moodle. Click get out of that. I can also filter on using these tabs on just activities if I just want to see the things I might use to interact with students, or click on resources if it's just something that I want to post to my site for the use of students. One of the other nice things you can do when you're looking at all of these is click on the star for each of the activities that you use a lot as a way to favorite them. So let's say I use assignments a lot. I have a lot of forums that I have students post to. I link out to lots of external resources and I give quizzes. When I star some of these items, I now see a starred tab. And when I click on that, I see the set of my favorite activities and resources that I use. And again, I could just simply click on the name of that activity or resource to add it to my site. One of the things that feels like it's missing is that nice summary and link out to more resources for a particular activity or resource to show me how to use it or how I might use it in my course. Now I can get to that summary by clicking the little information icon next to an activity or resource, and that'll take me out to that summary of what it is, and then also the link out to get more help. I can then click add from here to add it to my site, or I can go back again and click on the link for that particular activity or resource to add it. So here's a new look at the new activity chooser in Moodle. I hope this is helpful. Reach out to your AIA if you need help or have questions about this, and we look forward to serving you in the new year. Take care.